Hey everybody, it's Nazara with Nazara's Fine Crafts, and today we're going to do a yarn haul. My mom sent me a video that is a Michael's yarn haul that she did, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the video that she sent me, as well as I'll still be on so I can kind of interject here or there. She kind of left some of the stats and things out for the video that I'll probably be entering in some comments here or there. If you like these kind of videos, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below for more videos like it. I'm trying to involve my mom a lot more in the crochet business altogether. So she likes to do this kind of stuff as well, just like I do. So there's no reason I can't get her to do some of it. So, and then this video is not sponsored nor affiliated with anyone. This is a purchase that she made on her own. So let's go ahead and watch the video.
Okay, we went to Michael's yesterday and we did a yarn haul. This is Miss Ashley. Say hi. Hi. Yeah.
Say hi, Ashley. So Ashley asked for a wrapped pocketed shawl. So this is a pattern by Sonja Hood. It's Knot Yourself Out crochet patterns. So I will enter some of her links below. But this is the pattern that she asked for, as well as I'm doing this pattern for someone else. It seems to have picked up recently. It is from, it looks like from 2018, but yeah, this it seems to be a really popular pattern right now. So we are doing one of these for Ashley, and some of this yarn I believe is for that.
Okay, and so go ahead and put your monster down there and open up this bag. Let's see what color's in here. Michael's had this yarn on sale for yeah, $3 a skein. Okay. Oh, wow. So I bought 11 of these, and they are, let's see here.
Okay, so this is Loops and Thread yarn. I'm not exactly sure which one. It is hand wash but dry flat. It is a bulky 5. It uses a 6mm knitting needles or 6.5mm crochet hook. It is 39% polyester, 29% nylon, 25% acrylic, and 7% wool. That is a big blend of different things. So let's see what else, see if we can find the colorway and everything.
This and this, the color is black. It's out,
which is interesting because it doesn't look very black in the videos. It looks more like a charcoal gray or something, but it is pretty yarn.
out of Irving, Texas, made in China, of course, but that's okay. So, and then
that red is beautiful.
This is called Eggplant.
Ooh.
Let's see if we can get this in the sun so you can really see it. This is the Woolies.
So this is the yarn I told my mom about from the last video, that my Michaels had the Woolies Thick and Quick for $3 a skein, and it's big, it's plush, it's really nice to work with. So she went to go look, and this is all what she found.
Lionbrand. And it is, these are the specs on it.
So as you can see on here, it's 212 yards, 194 meters, 12 ounces or 340 grams. It's a super bulky 6. It is machine washable and dryable. It uses 9mm knitting needles or a 9mm crochet hook. So I have found that my 8mm works just fine with this as well. Let's see, it's 80% acrylic and 20% wool. So I'm gonna see if I can't get the stats on the Loops and Thread one as far as the grams and the yardage soon.
And its color is Eggplant. Yeah.
That's pretty.
So, and it, can I have that one of those? Thanks. Okay, then we also bought this color in the Plush Peluche.
Okay, so I think this is what the other one was. It's the Loops and Thread Plush Peluche? Peluche? I am not sure. So it looks like it's 488 meters or 200 grams. Let's see. 532 yards or 7.5 ounces.
The wool
0.05 ounces. Okay.
So
Crochet. See?
Champaign, and there's 10 of those.
Okay, that's the one that was
and
the first one as well.
We were able to get.
So this is the Woolies Thick and Quick also, but it's only 10 ounces or 283 grams, 174 meters or 174 yards or 157 meters. It's a super bulky 6 still. It uses the 9mm knitting needles or crochet hook, and it is also machine washable and dryable. So it just has a little less yardage.
I think 9 of these. And again, this is called
Stormfront. That's pretty.
Stormfront.
I love, can you guys see the pinks and purples in it?
And these were all on clearance from Michael's for $2.97. So not bad.
Okay, so yeah, she got 4 different colors. She got the black, the eggplant, the champagne, and then the Stormfront. And I think she, like she said, she got 9, 10, or 11 skeins of each. So that was a really good find. So, and at $3 a piece, that's great. Yeah, so quick video. I'm glad that my mom sent me the video. So, but if you like these kind of videos, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Okay, we went to Michael's yesterday and we did a yarn haul. This is Miss Ashley. Say hi. Hi. Yeah, okay. And so go ahead and put your monster down there and open up this bag. Let's see what color's in here. Michael's had this yarn on sale for $3 a skein. Okay. So I bought 11 of these, and they are, let's see here, we've got this and this. The color is black. It's out of Irving, Texas, made in China, of course, but that's okay. So, and then
that red is beautiful.
This is called Eggplant.
Ooh.
Let's see if we can get this in the sun so you can really see it. This is the Woolies by Lionbrand. And it is, these are the specs on it. And its color is eggplant. Yeah.
That's pretty.
So, and it, can I have that one of those? Thanks. Okay, then we also bought this color in the Plush Peluche. So, and this has the wool blend in it. So, and it's called Champaign. And there's 10 of those. And then we were able to get, I think, 9 of these. And again, this is called, Stormfront. And these were all on clearance from Michael's for $2.97. So not bad.